How to add bank account to ByBit. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on our P2P trading over here. And after that, click on profile over here on the bottom right. Over here, this is where you will be able to add a payment method. Click on payment method available over here and click on add now. Now, simply enter the payment method that you want to use. As you can see, it's currently in bank transfer over here. You could select specific banks among the different options over here that we're seeing. So simply select the specific bank that you want to utilize with your ByBit. For example, let's go with Federal Bank. And you're just simply going to enter your name over here. Make sure that your name is exactly the same that you use during verification. Also enter your bank account number, the bank branch, and then the bank name over here. After that, click on confirm and you should be able to add bank account to ByBit. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.